welcome to our weekly analysis. And without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the analysis. First of all, as we all know, we go to weekly time frame, and it's not like we are going to take any trade on that weekly time frame. It's just to see the bigger picture of the chart. So here on weekly time frame on XAUSD, as you can see here, the market is still on the uptrend. Okay, it's still on the uptrend. So, but the last candle we have for last week is bearish candle, and the upper week is also bearish candle. So, having that in mind, so we have to prepare our mind that probably market is about to change direction. So, moving down to with the daily time frame. But before we go to daily time frame, let's go to monthly time frame just to see, just to check the last month count because we are in new month. So I want to know which count do we end last month with. Now on monthly time frame here, I can see we have this bearish candle for the month of March, followed by this candle kind of dodgy, followed by this new one that is just coming for the month of May. So basically, we are still on a bearish move for the past 2 months now. We are on a bearish move. So let's have that in mind on a monthly time frame. So coming down to weekly time frame, we still have the bearish pattern because of these two bearish candles that follow each other. So there is high probability that we're going to have a bearish candle for the week also. Now let's move to daily time frame. Here on daily time frame, this is where we are going to start our proper analysis. So time market is rally to the upside. We have this big bearish card move to the downside. Before market started to move to the upside again. From there, the assignment for this low is to give us a break of structure here, but market failed to do that. So instead, it started coming back down. So we have something like this. This is the last break of structure around there. This one here, this BS here. I did this change of character where markets change from bullish to bearish. It's not even that. This is it here. This one here. This one here. Yeah. Market change from bullish to bearish. Then we started having a break of structure to the downside. So market is now trying to move back into that level. But as you can see, the market is already reacting to this FBG here. Market is already reacting to that FBG. I see the same thing as imbalance. Market is already reacting there, and we are having a bearish move. Now, moving on to 4 hour here on 4 hour here. So remember, market is already moving on this imbalance here. So from there, we are having this because we have this big structure here. I think this is like big structure after the touch. This is the big structure. So then from there, we have this change of character. Change of character. Here should have been the change of character but I bring it down here because of this wick to the downside. If you get to smaller time frame and I can see a full body close here, then I will now shift it to change of character. But in uh but in the but in whatever way it is, we are seeing on a bearish bearish move. So this is it, another break of structure here. It's another break of structure here. So here, after this break of structure, we have this imbalance. Market is already tapped into the imbalance. So the origin that caused the break of structure is sitting here, and this is the imbalance. So market tapped in once, move to the downside, and tapped it again. But before that, we should, you should notice this last break of structure here. This is the last break of structure here. Last break of structure. So the origin of the break of structure is here, which is now change of character. This is now change of character. Are you with me, guys? So after that change of character, market tapped into the imbalance here and move back down into this origin here. And move back down into this origin here. The other block. After the tap, market starts moving to the upside again. Let's go to 2 hours. But what gave us this all this reaction here in the first place? So if we look to the left side, we see that market taps into this other block here. So this is the other block that market taps into. So it's now trying to continue its movement to the upside. So after that, let's move to 2 hours or 1 hour. I mean, on 1 hour time frame, still the same thing, same analysis, but I was going to readjust this other block to the downside here. So same thing. Let's go to 30 minutes. All the way up, still the same thing. Let me adjust this to the downside here. So we still have no break of structure. Technically, we are going to change this thing to resistance zone. So this is the first step into this level that make this place qualify as the imbalance. But technically, we are going to change this to resistance zone. Resistance, why? Because markets already tapped in here once, come back again and tapped into it the second time, and still no break of structure. I mean, there should be a break of structure around here, but there is no break of structure. So, which means market is just coming back to the resistance zone and reacting from there. So, moving forward, let's go to 15 minutes. So, here on 15 minutes, this is what we have. See something. So let's check 15 minutes here to look for any any click to trade on. Let's see. So now on 15 minutes, we have the break of structure. We finally have the break of structure on 15 minutes. You have full candle break of structure here on 15 minutes here. So now that's qualified for um, a retracement now, which means after this break of structure, we have this change of character. The market come back down here and move to give us a new break of structure. Now, since we have a new break of structure now, our trading range is now from here to here because this is the glue that caused the break of structure. So our trading range is here to here. So, but we are not going to ignore this one. So we just have to pend it. The market may still come there. So let's take our fib retracement and check for this thing now. On 618 level, we have this small order block sitting here. We have this one here. We have this small order block sitting here. So market might come down here and spike it upside, or might even want to come and finish to properly tap into this order block here of 15. Check on 5 minutes. There are a lot of there is another order block here also. This is another order block here. Look at it here. Break of structure. Then I can change character here, but it did not come back to the other block. It just go from there. Anyway, so we're having three other block now to wait for markets to come back to. So which one is market going to be waiting to come to? So as I said earlier, this is now after this break of structure, this is now our trading range, which is from here to here. So this one is just going to be a pending. So this one is going to be a pending. So this two is now our main focus for now. Main focus for now. But looking at this, I don't think this is going to work. This other block is not going to be a good other block. So I'm going to be waiting for a confirmation here. So if I see a confirmation around here, so maybe I might take the trade. But I will be trusting this one more. I'll be trusting this one more because if you understand gold, you know that gold respects zones a lot. So I'll be waiting for it here. I'll be waiting for it here. So let me just bring this one down. Uh, So I'll be waiting for it here. Let's see this one. Mhm. So this is it. So this is what I'll be waiting for. Uh, so now I'll be targeting this place. So we are having one ratio 6.8. 6.8. Almost let's just say 1 ratio 7. But as you know me, I don't trade. I will only target 1 ratio 5. So I only target 1 ratio 5. So that's it. 1 ratio 5. So that's it. But to follow this sell that is currently happening. There's still an opportunity here because this is it. We have this break of structure here, internal break of structure, of course. So we have BOS here. Then this is another one, BOS here. Then this is the other block. And this is the imbalance here. So this is a sell opportunity to the downside here. So we can just join the sell from here and bring it down here just to see what will happen here. Let's see, we have this. So we have this. So bring it down there just to see what will happen when market get to this level. So there's this. Let me go to 5 minutes. Maybe I can refine the entry very well. Okay. Um, this is it. Well, this is it, but let me just leave it here. Oh, let's just leave it here. We have something like this. So we have something like this. So this is a sharp 1:5 trade. This one, just to see what will happen until market gets here. Or better still, might just come down here and move to the upside. As I said earlier, I'm going to be waiting for a confirmation around here before I can take the trade here. But I'm more trusting this place than here. So that's my analysis for the week on XAUSD. So I've come to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video like this. Please help this channel to grow by sharing this video to other traders and clicking the subscribe button.